Welcome to today's video. Today we will tackle a common problem faced by Raku developers when working with sets. The problem at hand involves declaring non-scalar variables using binding and understanding if there are any downsides to this approach. Let's delve into the details and find out how we can effectively deal with this issue. Now, let's discuss the solution to our problem. If you try to declare a variable %set without using binding and simply assign the result of SetHash.new 1, 2, 3 to it, you will run into issues when trying to utilize SetHash methods on %set. This is because %set will be treated as a regular hash, causing method calls like %set.set4 to fail. To overcome this limitation, we need to utilize the binding syntax to ensure the %set behaves as a SetHash and enables us to perform set operations seamlessly. Continuing with our discussion on the solution, an alternative to using the binding syntax is to leverage the is trait when declaring the variable. By using the syntax my %set is sethash equals 1, 2, 3, we explicitly specify the %set should be treated as a sethash, allowing us to use set operations without any issues. This approach provides clarity in code and ensures that the variable is correctly associated with the SetHash class for set manipulation. In summary, when working with sets in Raku and declaring non-scalar variables, using binding or the is trait is essential to ensure proper functionality and prevent errors. By embracing these techniques, developers can effectively manipulate sets and harness the full power of Raku's data structures. I hope this video has been helpful in clarifying the nuances of variable declaration in Raku. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!